Hello, welcome once again to my channel. In today's math tutorial, I shall be putting you through the simplification of algebraic fractions by factoring. And this includes multiplication of rational functions and division of rational functions. Sit back and relax as I put you through with fantastic examples. The first we shall be considering is 2x squared plus x minus 45 over 4x squared minus 81. The first thing we want to do here is factor both the numerator and the denominator. So starting with the numerator, that's 2x squared plus x minus 45. Well, here the leading coefficient is not 1. We find the product of the first and the last terms. That should be negative 90x squared. I included the x squared because the leading coefficient is not 1. Then we look out for the factors of negative 90x squared that will actually add up to positive x. And one thing is certain, one of them is going to be negative while the other is going to be positive, and they will both include x in order to align with the middle term. And obviously, these are negative 9x and positive 10x. So we use these two to actually break down the middle term, writing the expression as 2x squared minus 9x plus 10x minus 45. So from the first two terms, we can factor x, so that we have x times 2x minus 9 in parentheses. And from the second two terms, and from the last two terms, we can factor positive 5. That's a plus 5 times 2x minus 9. Obviously, from these two terms, 2x minus 9 in parentheses can be factored. It's a common factor. So we have 2x minus 9, and that multiplying x plus 5. So the numerator factors as the product of 2x minus 9 and x plus 5. Now it is time to factor the denominator. The denominator, 4x squared minus 81. This is obviously difference of two squares, in the sense that 4x squared can be written as 2x all squared minus 9 squared. And don't forget, when it comes to difference of two squares, they always factor as the product of the sum of the two terms and the difference between the two terms. So the denominator is the product of 2x plus 9 and 2x minus 9, where we then take out the common factors in the numerator and the denominator. 2x minus 9 cancel out, leaving us with x plus 5 over 2x plus 9 as the simplified fraction. The next that we're going to be looking at is multiplication, and the method is pretty much the same. Factor expressions that can be factored. For instance, in the first fraction, in its numerator, 3t plus 6, we can factor 3, leaving us with t plus 2. Then the denominator, t squared plus 6t plus 8. This has the leading coefficient of 1. So we expect, after factoring this, to be t plus a number in a bracket multiplying t plus another number in the second bracket. Yes, both will be plus because the middle term is positive and the last term is also positive. So the factors of positive 8 that will actually add up to positive 6, they are positive 2 and positive 4. So these factors as t plus 2 times t plus 4. Hence, the denominator factored is written as t plus 2 times t plus 4. And this times the second fraction, we already have a t minus 2. We can put it in parentheses. Then we factor the denominator. The denominator is t squared plus 2t minus 8. Then the factors of negative 8, that will give positive 2. Obviously, one of them is going to be negative, while the other is going to be positive. And for these factors to add up to positive 2, one must be a negative 2, while the other is a positive 4. So the expression factors as t minus 2 times t plus 4. Hence, we write the product of t minus 2 and t plus 4. Where the next step is to look out for common factors in the numerator and denominator that we can take out. T minus 2 is 1 and t plus 2 is another. There are no common factors again, so in the numerator we've got 3, while in the denominator we've got t plus 4 multiplying another t plus 4. So this can finally be written as 3 over t plus 4 multiplying itself twice, written as a square. So 3 over t plus 4 squared. The third simplification that we shall be considering is division. And when it comes to division, the first thing we do is change the division sign to multiplication. And the fraction that comes after is inverted. So this becomes 2x plus 4 over x squared minus 9 times x squared plus 4x plus 3 over x plus 2. And this is followed by factoring of the expressions that should be and can be factored. In the first fraction, 2x plus 4, 2 can be factored from the numerator. So we have x plus 2 in brackets. Its denominator is a difference of 2 squared. That's x squared minus 3 squared. That factors as x plus 3 times x minus 3. Then the second fraction, we've got the numerator, x squared plus 4x plus 3, where the factors of positive 3 that add up to positive 4 in the middle are both positive, positive 1, and positive 3. So this means that the expression factors as x plus 1 and x plus 3 because the leading coefficient is 1. Hence, the numerator is the product of x plus 1 and x plus 3 over x plus 2. The next step, as we have been doing, is to take out the common factors. X plus 2 goes off, x plus 3 also goes out, leaving us with, in the numerator, 2 times x plus 1, and in the denominator, x minus 3. I believe you enjoyed this math tutorial. Let me know in the comment section, and here is one for you to simplify. And comment with your answer. That's x squared minus 16 over x squared plus 8x plus 16. Don't forget to like the video, share it, and subscribe if you're yet to subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye.